basically these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts came out of this pressure plate right here. Bam. And you can see how it looks. And then here's the actual clutch that came out of the car. So I'm gonna be honest with you, comparing it to the new one, it don't look too bad, to be honest. I don't think, but better safe than sorry. All right, boys. So I got it off, and right there, got it right there, the new one. So all I gotta do is put the new one on, and
Buddy, hold this bitch down.
the buddy Noah is taking the older transmission off.
Hold that. Hold it down.
The ratchet straps have it, don't it?
No, them ratchet suck ass.
Alright, go. Oh. It slipped off of it, didn't it?
Fuck. That hurt like a bitch.
You are a bitch. You get it? Did you get it?
No.
So there's a big grease spot right there in the flywheel, and I'm gonna use that good old brake cleaner and some paper towels, and we're gonna get it shined up and open up this new one and put it on, and then hopefully around by then he'll have that off. And then if he doesn't have that off yet, I'm going to go over there and help him. So I'm gonna get started on this. So actually, I think I'm gonna take the flywheel off, because if you look, there's a little bearing in here that the kit came with, and it doesn't feel bad, but since we're already in here, might as well replace it. I'm pretty sure it's like your pile out bearing or something, and you gotta take these big bolts off. So that's gonna be fun.
I'm about to take my happy ass break.
Your happy ass a break?
Yeah.
Hey, you don't flip it all the way over.
Getting all the water out. So how you leave it out in the rain?
Hold on. Yo, that's oil, nigger. Dude. It was... Oh.
I forgot that fucking head's going.
Huh?
I forgot your head's loose on it. It's pouring all out from the head.
Get the damn thing off. It's off.
Wow!
Now bring it over here. Let me give it a real quick feel.
This one's way lighter.
That one actually had transmission fluid in it.
That's nice.
That is transmission fluid, right? Smells like oil, kinda.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Whew, that's good. So it's not, it's actually a mint. Let me feel that, let me feel it.
Let's get you,
Bring it over here.
get your little test run.
Let me get a little test run.
Oh yeah.
Doggies, oh my God. Look at that.
No movement.
No in and, oh my doggies. Hold on a minute. Yeah. Yes, sir. We gonna have a roller, baby. Yes. Check it out, home slices. Nothing, solid as a rock. This one. And it pulls in and out. Yeah. That transmission needs to be rebuilt.
So it should fit right here. That's where your shift linkage goes.
Yeah. Let's just check it out, I guess. Because it should be the same one.
Same exact, yeah, for sure. I think the only thing different about that one.
Damn.
Oh no, it's the same exact same. What?
Something was burning and then I looked down.
So we don't have the right bolt or the right socket for that. But I mean, the bearing feels good. I mean, look at that, minty. We'll just lube it up a little bit before we put it back together.
This shit's not even connected.
Nigga, what are you? Why don't you put this color intake off that one here?
It didn't fit.
You already tried it?
Yeah, there's different sensors on the pipe. But anyway, what are we doing, pal?
We don't have the right side or the right fucking type of socket where they get the flywheel off. So I think what we're gonna do is just use the same bearing, which is kind of stupid, like pretty fucking stupid. But I think we're just gonna have to, because at this point it'd be worse to go and strip it because that's more money. And we don't want to take it all fucking back
Or we
off.
could waste a bunch of our time and go buy the tool. Or we could just put it all back together and like fuck with it another day when it actually tears up.
I kind of want to get it going good though, you know?
It would be going good. 'Cause, I mean, it feels good.
Hey, you're
don't
going to
it?
blow up the next 2 days as soon as you get on the road.
Wouldn't doubt it.
So why don't we go, where do you think the tool will be? Autotone? Right here on the Cleveland, or not Cleveland, but Chester Highway?
I don't know.
Let's go tell Pops to go right over there. We got the right tool actually. It was a 12 point, what was it, metric?
It's just we just needed 12-point sockets.
It's 11/16.
11/16.
That's the money maker.
Let's feel it. Nah, that's probably. Get it a 17. 12-point. You got a 17? No. Is there a 17? I'm pretty sure the exact size is a 12.17. Bingo.
Is it? It's a 17?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Alright, well, get the pry bar.
Alright, so the hammer.
Oh yeah.
It's in the ground behind you.
Alright, well you're doing the hammer. I'm twisting.
Alright. Oh, man, that's so crazy right now. Hold on, let me get in here. So basically, I'm just hooking the hammer on one of the flywheel teeth like this. Oh wait. So I got the bitch pin in here. I got the boot back on and the little clip back on, and it's connected. We got, let's see here. All I gotta know is all there. So anyway,
This is a bitch, bro.
basically, there's one more bolt that I needed to loosen on there. Take that one, put it on here, and then it'll be completely prepped. And we also need to take that mount off because we left the old one on still. Yeah, the old one's still on there. And Noah is down here putting on, trying to put on the pressure plate and the clutch. He's struggling a little bit.
It's just not aligned right, bro.
And after that, we just gotta throw the transmission.
Yeah, it's not gonna fucking do it.
I had to get down there and help him. I had to put that in the video because,
You didn't put that in video.
yeah, I didn't show me helping in the video, but I just gotta tell them that I was helping
Don't you be trying to take all
because, like, I had to get down there and put it on for him. So I
Keep on
got
disrespecting
all
me
the
like
bolts
that.
in. We got the little alignment tool in.
You can slip that out now.
I mean,
You better cut that.
we don't need to pull that out yet because you gotta tighten the bolts first.
Oh, that's taken down.
And then we left all of our sockets over here. Trying to get the transmission off of this engine.
Hey, you don't tighten these too tight, do you?
Nah, just snug.
Okay.
But anyway, I need to take that pin off and then connect it. And then we need to put it back up in there. And it's gonna be a fun little time trying to find all the bolts. Because all the bolts are just literally scattered around everywhere. Like they're... Wow! Oh! Oh, he's on you!
Hold on, he's chasing me. He's like right here.
Where'd he go?
Watch out, watch out. They're spraying.
Oh!
Did he kill him?
I know they didn't lock it. They abandoned Fort. I ain't gotta worry about that no more. Alright, so we have the starter connected. We have everything connected, the distributor, the starter. So theoretically, it should start. Is it in neutral, Noah?
Yes.
Okay, here's the keys.
This one right here.
No.
Which one is it?
No.
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 Damn, bro, you got so many fucking keys, it's insane.
Dude, get off your fucking phone.
Suck my dick. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, turn. I can't get the fucking key to turn.
Move the damn steering wheel.
Well, if you went back here like NBA player balling out.
Holy shimoly. Turn the windshield wipers off. Turn them off. It's like... Don't do that. First gear and let out the clutch slow. Is it out? Are you out of the clutch? Huh? What?
Did you not hear it?
Let out the clutch. Hey, we're good. Huh? What? Yeah, this is my rotor.
Oh, okay.
I didn't tighten it up.
I thought it was the transmission. I was like,
Is it in neutral?
no.
Neutral, let out on the clutch. No noise! Are you doing that? Give it a little rev. I need to put that O2 sensor on it.
I don't know, it kind of sounds cool. It sounds like it's that two-stepping. Two-stepping in my bitch.
Shut it off and try to start it back. The battery is dead, you know?
Yeah. So when we go to leave, we'll have to jump it. Or clutch pop it.
Just pick up the tools.
We did it, brother. We did it.
I did most of it, but
Suck my dick, bro. I helped you. Where'd you get that black jack from, bro?
I could have done it without that.
Shut your bitch ass up, bro. Nah. I think the first time that I actually tried to help you, bro, I was just unmotivated as fuck. But like today, we was on that shit. We just battling with, you know how hard, you know what time we actually started doing this?
No.
Okay, so when we first got this off, when we had it off, it was like 3:30 something. Then we had to leave and go to the store and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It took us 7 hours to finally finish it.
I did most of it by myself, I swear.
You did most of that bullshit.
Dude, I can't believe I guessed like all the wires right perfectly.
Huh?
I guessed like the wires right.
So now we gotta put the wheels and shit on?
We gotta tighten the ball joints, the coilovers.
You gotta tighten the coilover. Why don't you take the coilover nuts loose?
I did.
Why?
To get the axles out.
Damn, boy. You already got that one tied over there though, don't you?
Nah, we gotta tighten them both.
Okay.